Veeva Vault tutorial, cloud-based content and data management. So over here we have our Veeva Vault. So this is a cloud platform designed to manage regulated documents, content, and data across clinical quality and basically Teams itself. So it replaces the legacy file shares and fragmented systems with a centralized compliant system. So what you can do in this is, as from the details, you can store your documents, you can track them, you can release workflows, maintain audit trails for compliance, or just collaborate securely across teams. So first of all, you can go ahead and register. Just search for your Viva ID registration, put in your email, and just go ahead and continue. That way you can go ahead to your Gmail and verify the email that you are using. Then log in with a new email and just go ahead to your Viva ID. You can see your systems. You can take a look at your account. You have the general email, the passwords, and then your recent activity. So here you will be able to see your systems if your access will be added by an administrator. So you're just gonna go ahead and wait for that from your administrator, or you can just go ahead and tell them about it. But if you want more information about Viva, it's all over here in their website. You have the products, all about Viva AI. Over here, research sites, industries. You have services, pretty much what they can give for you, customers, resources, and even events. But if you want more specific features, then it's all over here about Viva. So you have the about Viva section, careers, news, but you can also go ahead and search for more information over here. But that depends on you. So if you want more information about Viva, you can always go ahead and explore in their website, since most likely they put all their features and what the features are about over here in the website itself. So that's pretty much how you use your Viva though. Just go ahead and register first, log into your account, and just take a look at your systems. It's pretty simple since it is user friendly, but hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.